Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
The trials and tribulations, my mind overloaded by these things. I have no patience. I've been patiently waiting for Satan. The exit stage left, a deep breath. I ain't got none of those things left. I've been searching on the inside, cause the pain that I endure makes the songs cry. And the tears come from my calm eyes. Life's a bitch and I'm looking for a strong line to make you understand why I'm here and where I draw the line. They say the sun gon' come out in due time, but these dark skies got me headed to the dark side. In a dark place, fighting for my sanity. This can't be life, God. I'm working with the things that you handed me. I lost my family and a lot of my friends. Got a couple real ones that'll support me to the end. Even though I know what it's like to lose, it still hurts me when I do. And although I am a man, I feel the hurt and the pain too. It's up to me to get back up when I fall in these damn moods. And I feel I never win, cause every day I'm gon' lose. I gotta keep fighting in pursuit, keep fighting in pursuit.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight, I live to fight.
Alrighty folks, now this right here is the finished product. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. So if you like what I've been doing here, please do push that like button. And also, if you want to see furthermore videos and what I do with these waffles and any other things I decide to put together, please do subscribe to the channel. Your love is definitely appreciated. Alrighty, it's time to dig in. Kool Zone out.
Too nice with the voice to watch these niggas succeed in front of me. A superstar in this game, yes, I'm one of these. My confidence is high as it ever gonna be.